Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and this is one of those videos where I just tell you about something in my community that I encountered, and you might be able to look for something like it in yours. I was looking at classes at a local art supply store, and this is your downtown private type one, not a big box store at all. I was going through their classes, and a few of them looked probably advanced for me. And then there was one that was, there's some I'm still considering, and there was one that was a lecture, and it was put on by Golden Paints. And you show up, they talk for 2 hours, you get some samples, you get this amazing hand-painted color chart. I don't know if you can see this, but it is all of their colors hand-painted. So when you might be able to hear my dog, he's mad he didn't get to come in. When you want to go pick your color, you have it, and you're not going based on bottles. I love this. This is super cool. This alone was worth going. I can pick the perfect blue or get them all. And I was looking at their Payne's Gray and their Cobalt Teal, beautiful colors. So we got this and saw all sorts of things about different pastes and different techniques, and learned about their watercolor line. Those of you who watch my videos know that I don't really do watercolor, but I'm intrigued. It's on my I'm gonna try it this week list. And it already was before I went to that. And then they talked about their oil colors. And they have a thing online where you can upload a photo and it will tell you exactly how to mix that paint color in the spot. Or you can enter what paint colors you have and do some mixes and saturation levels, and it'll tell you exactly how to get colors. Thought that was really interesting. For me, it was a great class because I learned about, I'd seen things about high flow paints, high flow acrylics, and I wanted to know what those were. And they have, I think at least, I should know that now, 4 different thicknesses of paint. It was really fun. I haven't peeked in the bag. I saw this bright pink, and I know one of the art journal people that I watch, and I was gonna look up who it was, uses bright pink a lot, and I thought that would be fun, and I see something in there that's blue. So this seemed like a good bag for me, because if you're gonna go pink, it needs to be a bright pink. So let's see what treasures I got. Okay, fiber paste. So this is what it sounds like. It's a paste that has fiber in it. You can put it on your art journal page or your card or something, and you could let it dry and then paint over it, or you could mix color into it just to give you some additional texture. Maybe help with like nature scenes, anything textiles, something like that. Slow drying acrylics. Oh, Golden Open. Okay, this is a line that they have that is super slow drying, like ridiculously. So you can do amazing blending techniques. You can even paint late into the night and then get up in the morning and put their special liquid that I can't remember what it's called that goes with this, and then the paint would move around a little bit again. So this is called Open. Very slow drying. Great for detail work or blending. Probably don't want to use it for your base coat or you're going to be unhappy. And you can't put it on super thick or it pretty much never dries. Indian Yellow Hue Fluid Acrylics. So this one, the fluid acrylics are almost like ink, like India ink, highly pigmented and very fluid. Probably great for mixed media projects and art journal pages. Coarse molding paste. This one's going to have chunky stuff in it, and you can put color in it if you want, but it's going to give your page texture. Okay, this one is, oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is fluid acrylics. This one is more like, not a heavy body, but just a nice liquid acrylic in a bottle. This one is the high flow acrylics. This one, ooh, that'll be fun. This is the one that's like India ink, and when you shake it, can you hear that it has those shaker beads in it, and it moves just like ink? Whereas this one is acrylic paint in a bottle, and then this one is the super slow drying. And then, oh, manganese blue hue. This one's beautiful. Artist Colors Mixture. Okay, I don't really know what this is. I gotta tell you that. Golden Artist Colors Manganese. Okay, I don't know why. They have some lines that are like numbered, and I wonder if this is one of those to do different techniques with. But I don't know why it's just Golden Artist Colors and it doesn't say what fluidity it is. It doesn't matter. It's blue. We know I'm going to put it on stuff. So I'm very excited with my treasures. Be sure you're trying something new and don't be intimidated. Just do it. Just get off the couch, look online, go to something in a park or at a winery or at an art store, or go to your local big craft stores card making night. Try something new because life is too short to sit around and not try it. Don't be afraid. Don't worry if you missed the first meeting or the first session or you've never met any of those people. Just go do it, okay? Make the time and go do it. It was super fun and I will do it again, and I'm going to look at the other classes. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you learned something about golden paints. The other thing too is if you went to one of these and you never wanted to buy any of their products, which I don't know why you would say that, but maybe you don't. Maybe you have a different favorite brand. This thing would be amazing to use in art journal pages as a background, or do a wash on, or tear it up, punch it out, all kinds of great stuff. So I feel like it was definitely worth my time and I learned a ton. Thanks for watching, and make time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.